If you are tired of your email domain being constantly impersonated in phishing attacks, a DMARC setup is your best bet at mitigating this. DMARC, or Domain-Based Message Authentication Reporting and Conformance, is an email authentication protocol that helps you authorize email senders and stop spoofed emails from landing in your client's inbox. To set up DMARC for your emails, this is what you need to do, and let me assure you, it will only take a few minutes of your time. Go to the PowerDMARC website and sign up for free. Create your DMARC record using our DMARC record generator tool, and copy and paste this record to publish it on your DNS, and you're done. It's really that simple. We highly recommend starting your DMARC journey with PowerDMARC so as to safely shift from a relaxed DMARC policy to a more enforced one that can actually protect you against cyber attacks. This will also help you avoid unwanted email deliverability issues. We further assist you in automating protocol management, monitoring your email channels, and making your DMARC reports organized and human-readable. Get PowerDMARC today.